So we have a glute pop-in bench and dumbbell workout. We're going to start off with some alternating step ups with some light dumbbells. This is just to get our mind and our body familiar with the bench because it is a little high. And our first set is going to be a step up with a reverse lunge. Actually, all three sets are going to be a step up into reverse lunge. And this one, we're adding a hammer curl. So when you step up on the bench, whatever leg you're stepping up in, you want to try to go to full extension. Then when you get into that reverse lunge, you want to get into a nice reverse lunge stance before you start the next movement. So you want to make sure you have like your shoulders back, your knees not crossing over your toe, and you really want to make sure your front leg that's bent is parallel to the ground. And with the hammer curl, make sure you squeeze those biceps. All right, second set. Okay, we're going to step up, then go into that lunge, make sure our shoulders back. We're going to take the weights and put them on our shoulders, and we're going to do a static hold of 5. I want the count to be 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. I might be going a little fast on here. I kind of do that when I'm taping myself, but make sure you go that count. For all these, we're doing 10 reps for each leg. And you see that we want the dumbbells on our shoulders because we want our resistance to be lined up with our working muscle, which is the glutes. Get that nice stance, that nice lunge stance before we start our static hold. And we're pushing up through our heels. And even when we step up, we're kind of focusing on pressing up through the heels. Nice. All right, last set. So for this one, we are going to be doing some pulses. We're doing 5 little pulses. Same thing, we want that weight on our shoulders aligned with our glutes. So get that stance and do these little pulses, pushing up through the heel. So as far as a step that you want to use, I prefer one that's like right below the knee. This one is a little bit higher, but this is what I have. However, you can use something lower. You will still get a great workout, whatever you have available. If you are going a little bit higher, this next move I'm going to show you, I really want you to do at the end to help stretch out your lower back, because this can put a little bit pressure in your lower back if you're going higher, and depending on how much resistance you're using. I'm using 8-pound dumbbells. So I'm going to show you how to do a hip bridge at the end, and this is like to stretch out, again, your back. Hip bridges do work your glutes a little bit as well, but the main focus for this is I really want you to get this nice back stretch. So we're just lifting up one vertebrae at a time and slowly down one vertebrae at a time. Nice and controlled. And if your lower back, like I said, if it does start to hurt during this workout, it just simply means that you need a little bit more just overall strengthening in your body. So if that does start to happen, do not let this take you away from the sequence. Just go for a shorter step and maybe lighter dumbbells or no dumbbells at all.